Okay, so here's one for you guys. So it's winter at the moment, so it's really cold. Got up this morning, the car is absolutely frozen. So look at this window screen here. But you can actually get rid of all this ice from the window without even touching your car using just the fans in the car. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so the first thing obviously you want to do is turn on the engine. Nice cold start there. And all you need to do is just flip the max on here and then put your rear on max as well. And then we just sit and wait. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, so that looks like it's all defrosted already. That was pretty quick. So all you're gonna do now is flip the wipers. And there we have it. We're good to go. And we didn't have to get out of the car or scrape. How good is that?